Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. This week's Stampy collab was hosted by Kristen from Nerdy Creations, and these are the manicures that we prepared. At the end, I'll have individual photos, and you can find links to everybody's video in the description box of mine. For my Christmas nails, I chose these beautiful shine nail polishes. The green one is called Oh Christmas Tree, and it's a gorgeous green with lots of hollow glitter in it. And the red one is called Rudolph, and it's a gorgeous red sparkly glitter. I use images from these gorgeous Beauty Big Bang stamping plates. My all-time favorite Christmas song is called It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year, but for this manicure I decided to go with the song It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas, and you guys are gonna see why. I'm just gonna go crazy adding lots of stamping to these beautiful sparkly Christmas nails. I know this already seems like a lot, but I'm gonna go ahead and stamp individual images and fill them in and then stamp it on each nail. It says Merry Christmas, but it's really hard to read, so I'm gonna go over it again. I'll use my no smudge top coat. I don't know about you guys, but this manicure is definitely giving me lots of Christmas vibes. I think it goes perfect with my song, It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas. I decided to apply a matte top coat in order to show the images a little bit better, and I love the way it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. I had a lot of fun with this theme. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!